Do you have a feeling like this? When you see a person around you who is more excellent than you and still make efforts, you will allow your enthusiasm to run away with you and have a feeling of doing your level best. This is a learning atmosphere. So let's talk about the importance of the good learning atmosphere. Having a good atmosphere can strengthen our awareness of learning. Hard working is a habit and born ability. All the excellent people have in common. Although they are very excellent, a hunger for knowledge and an insistence on excellence don't reduce at all. They still do their best extremely. When you see so many classmates around you learning tirelessly, you will inform yourself of going on studying and keep going. Then you will make bigger progress.